Daily Useful English-Tagalog Sentences, Part 65. Sinigurado mo bang nakasara ang pinto? Did you make sure the door was closed? Sinadya ko talagang nakabukas ang pinto. I intended to leave the door open. Wala siyang sinabi, kaya nagalit siya. He said nothing, which made her angry. Nanonood kami ng Netflix bago matulog. We watch Netflix before we go to sleep. Hindi ako sigurado kung sasama siya sa akin. I'm not sure if he'll come with me. Nakapagtataka ang mga pangyayari. The events are astonishing. Tara, maghanap tayo ng makakain. Let's go out and find something to eat. Naninibago ako sa nangyayari. I feel strange to what's happening. Ito ang gusto kong trabaho, matagal na. This is the job I want, ever since. Napakadali naman gawin yan. That is very easy to do. Hindi nakakapagtaka kung wala siya ngayon. No wonder if he's not here today. Panay ang tawag ko sa'yo kanina pero hindi ka sumasagot. I've been calling you lately but you're not answering. May gusto akong ipakita sa'yo sa loob. I want to show you something inside. Nakita ko na ito dati pa, nakalimutan ko lang. I've seen this before, I just forgot. Ito na ang pinakahihintay kong pagkakataon. This is my long-awaited opportunity. Sinisigurado ko sa'yo na makakarating ako. I assure you I will arrive. Nakakasiguro ka ba sa sinasabi mo? Are you sure of what you're saying? Naiinis ako kapag hindi ako pinapansin. I get annoyed when I am ignored. Mahirap ang buhay, lalo na kapag nag-iisa. Life is hard, especially when alone. Nahuhuli ka na sa balita. Umalis na siya. You are late for the news. He already left. Pumili ka ng gusto mo at bibilhin ko. Choose what you want and I'll buy it. Bihira ko siyang makita, lalo na kapag umaga. I rarely see him, especially in the morning. Kung sakaling wala ako, iwanan mo na lang dyan. In case I am not around, just leave it there. Saka mo na lang isipin kapag malapit na. Think of it when it's almost near. Saka na lang kita susunduin kapag may oras ako. I'll pick you up if I have free time. Iniwan kong naglalaro ang mga bata sa labas. I left the kids playing outside. Sunduin mo sila mamayang hapon bago ka umuwi. Fetch them this afternoon before you go home.